Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house Nintendologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to another version of Touch On Tech, the show where we tell you about the most clever uses of technology out there today. This is the music part. So CES just wrapped up, and guess what won Best of Show? Black Box VR. Why? Because it's the new year and people are getting in shape. And what better way to get in shape than with VR, of course. They plan on opening actual gyms where when you show up, you get a whole gym, but then you get a set of goggles that you have to wipe off 50 times because somebody else just used them and they're all sweaty. But once you're in the matrix. You can work out anywhere. You don't have to work out in a lame gym with people staring at you and making funny faces and making snide comments. No, you can work out in the North Pole. You can work out underwater. You can work out in space. You can work out on Mars. Now, VR gyms are not new, but they're using machine learning and AI to actually make the gym smarter. So if you're trying and you're going really hard and it's really easy, it'll know and it's going to make it harder. It's going to put the resistance up and make you work. And look, they thought video games would just make you not in shape, and now they are making you in shape. So what's the biggest problem with ordering clothes online? You don't know how they're going to feel or move because they're all on a computer screen. What if you could try those on virtually? Or have a virtual mannequin try them on for you and move around in them and show you how they move and what they look like when they're being worn. Well, Groove Jones did this at a recent Amazon fashion event. Simply hold up an iPad, move around, and you can see a person standing on your table. And then you can just swipe through different clothes and see what they look like. Maybe you want to see what the zebra stripe pants look like on you at the gym. Or maybe you want to see how that little polka dot outfit's going to look like when you're doing push-ups. That's it. You look cool. So thanks to Amazon, now get ready to get fit with clothes that fit. Do you get sad when your phone's about to die? Just like me, I get sad. A lot of people get sad. So Dries de Pooter came out with this app called Die With Me. It sounds really dark and scary and very depressing, but it's actually kind of fun. So what happens is this app only lets you enter the chat room when your phone's battery goes under 5%. Oh no, my phone's about to die. Let me join a bunch of friends whose their phones are about to die and see what we can talk about right before our phones die. I mean, if you're gonna go out, you might as well go out. And if you're gonna go out, you might as well go out. So if you're gonna go out, you might as well go out. And what better way to go out than amongst friends? So do you know if you're pregnant? I bet IKEA can tell you with their new ad. All you do is pull out this ad, pee all over it, and it tells you whether or not you're pregnant. But not only does it tell you you're pregnant, the baby holder, it's incredible, I like baby holder better, that it's showing in the ad, the price drops on it immediately if you're pregnant. So doesn't that make you feel better? Not only are you bringing a gift into the world, IKEA's giving you a deal on it. So Nintendo's back at it again, doing stuff nobody thinks is going to work, and it turns out to be the most awesome thing ever. So they just released the Labo, which is a cardboard cutout that extends your games. And you'll just shape it into like a fishing rod, stick your Switch controller in it, and now you're fishing. You don't even have to go to the lake. Oh, look, I caught a carp bass. The only thing better would be if Nintendo could turn all those Amazon boxes in my garage into controllers. So what's better than a picture? A video, obviously. Life Print is a little printer, but they've got a trick up their sleeve. They can make those photos come alive. Using AR, you just hold your phone over the photo, you just print it out, and it goes from a still picture into a moving video. So what's great about this is you can bring any printing surface to life.
He had to worry about traffic problems, but now you don't have to worry about traffic. I'll hover convert your own.
And this week in Crazy Little Robots that are going to eventually track you down and put you in jail, Nimbos came out at CES, and it's a whole security suite of these little Segway powered robots. And they just roam around parking lots looking for stuff going wrong. They can identify people, they can identify what people are doing wrong, and then they can go check it out. Once they get there, they can document the scene, chase off the guy, and then they can tell the security officer to send off the drone and go get him. And thanks to computer vision, your hamburger ordering days are over. Well, that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Thanks for stopping by because we love seeing you and can't wait to see you next time for another version of Touch on Tech.